7 minutes, 233 kilometres.
Alrighty. I don't know.
It's another pure gray morning, don't know what the days hold.
Where are we?
Anau.
We're just exploring Anau. Then we might go and feed some animals at a farm. And yeah, we need to book our Milford Sounds trip today.
Yeah. I don't trust helicopters.
Imagine just landing that right there.
Oh, I seen a fish jump.
Look, there's a plane on the water. Well, I think it's coming in. So we just booked our Milford Sound at the information centre. Cold pasta for lunch, and we're on our way to the bird sanctuary. Got some shakes for lunch.
It's just a snack.
On the to the bird sanctuary, and then we're gonna go to the farm. This is the endangered bird I have here. Currently 2 pairs on site with 1 juvenile hatched. November last year. I mean, October. They look like prehistoric or something. Where's the goat? Oh. It's hungry. Got some little teepees in here. Little bush camp for the kids. Would you like me to make you a cup of rock?
Would you like to take a cup of tea? Oh shit.
Oh. Oh, no tea for me. Oh,
Sorry,
quit your day job.
Get the phone.
Come on, Bryce, stand in front of one of them. Which one will he choose?
The butterfly.
Oh, I thought you were going to choose those ones. To get the crouch down a little bit. Oh, you're such a cute butterfly. Oh, beautiful.
I'm a caterpillar.
Oh.
Turned into a butterfly.
Oh. Bird sanctuary done.
I'm glad you didn't have to pay for that.
Hey, but it's pretty cool they got these birds. Do you know how to say it?
Takai.
Takai? Takai? Takai?
Oh, Mr. Goaty. Mr. Goaty.
Hello! Hello! Oh my god, I love goats.
Hello, Mr. Goaty.
Hello. He just wants your food.
Hello, Mr. Goaty. Hang on. Be patient. No, Mr. Goaty. No.
Hello, cutie. Woohoo!
Be patient. Be patient. Mr. Goaty.
He's like, just give me your food, dude.
No. No. Sit.
Oh my god.
Cheeky bugger.
His tongue. What?
Oh my god, look. Good guy.
He's so cute. Look at his ears. Hello. Gonna eat the camera.
Yeah. Oh, hello. I love you. I love goats.
Yeah, like my fingers. Aww. Oh, here we go. Oh. Come here, little sheepy. Come here. You're so cute. Ooh. Hello. They're so funny. I'm scared. You want some food? Was that good? Was that good, dude? Yeah. Was that good? You want some more? Oh my god. You're cool, dude. You're so cool. Oh, okay. Oh. Aww. Bryce loves giving pets. His face. Do you want some, dude? You look angry. Oh, he's loving it. Oh, he's doing funny things with his mouth. Do you want some, dude? Do you want some? You scare me a little bit. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's that good stuff, man. Oh, that's so funny. Sick.
Come over here. Go look down.
So kind of you, Bryce. Do you want some? Do you want some? No? Yeah, but drop it down. Oh, you just don't want to eat it, okay? That's okay. Yeah. Oh, hello. Oh, I want to feed the cow. Hello, beautiful. Oh, look at these little curls on the top.
Doesn't like the food.
Aww. Maybe drop it down and eat it. But drop it down while you eat it. Yeah, some of them just don't like eating out of your hand. Oh my god, look at this. Oh. Hello, can you even see where you're going? Hi.
Hey.
Oh my god. my god, you're hairy.
Oh, that feels fuck.
Do you want some more? Oh, you can't even see. This one needs a trim. Oh my god, you're so cool. You're so shaggy. I'll give you some more food. Thank you for letting me feed you. Hello, gorgeous. Do you want me to throw some more on the ground? Here. I want one. Hi. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh.
Oh, it smells like dirty sheep.
You always smell like that. What do you mean?
Hello. Wait, look.
Oh. 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 You got out. Put it in its mouth.
Hang on, there.
Here. Oh my god, they're
Hello?
aggressive. Imagine being the mother. That would hurt. Oh, this one's run dry. I think you gotta try and share. The other one needs some. There's nothing in there, I'm sorry.
This one's red brandy. No more left. No more.
No, there's none left.
No more.
Pretty flowers. Got some DVDs for $1 each from the op shop, which is good. Just some random ones. So we have some more DVDs with options for at night. Currently waiting for our washing to dry at the laundromat before we leave Anau. But we're just going to relax by the lake here.
Flat one.
Nice.
Milford Sound.
Sorry, you can make deep
I named the Milford Sound cruise in the fucking ocean.
And who's scared of the ocean?
Me. Terrified. Ocean no go. I'm not going on it.
Hey, I did the never swing, so...
Nah, I'm kidding. I'll go on it.
Holy moly guys, this campground is amazing. There's literally a river. Stunning. Surrounded by mountains. I was worried you wouldn't be able to see them. Look at these mountains.
Isn't this fucking beautiful? What fucking dreams are made of? Lovely.
No way. The wine we got for 2 nights. Let's give it a crack. Bryce is on yesterday's one. I'm gonna try tonight's one. Hello again. In case you missed looking at my face. Still watching that guy. I wonder if he'll catch anything.
I'm gonna see that soil, but it's fucking freezing.
Do not feed the Kia.
Well, it's only alpine parrot. Nesting on the ground means that at least 60% of nests are attacked by predators. Oh. Sharp.
Did you find a cool rock?
Oh, totally.
Looks like a genie's escaped his bottle. Oh, that echoes for ages. Wild yowie. Looks scary. Alright, we've got some salad. Yum yum. snags and some cucumber to go on our salad.
So we'll use it up. Might as well put the cucumber and Asian salad.
Yep. That's what's for dinner, guys.
That's what's up, y'all.
I also had my first shower in the van, and it was...
First shower for the whole trip.
No, I've had showers at other places, but in the van, and it was...
stinks!
It was beautiful. It was like so warm, and honestly, probably the best shower I've had on this trip, which is weird, but yeah. So that was amazing. I understand now why Bryce keeps having them in the van.
Okay.
Dinner is served.
Nice simple dinner. This salad's delicious. Asian salad with a sesame dressing. Cucumber tops, I reckon.
Num num num. I only like my snags when they're in bread with tomato sauce.
Strange. I don't even chew my snacks, I just inhale them whole.
Oh.